Okay, guys, it is another beautiful weekend again. I'm really happy that throughout this week we made some good amount of profit from this platform, both within the Telegram channel and also right here on the YouTube channel. Okay, so we will be checking this out right here in this video. If you have been looking out for a possible opportunity in this weekend, then definitely let's check these videos together. And of course, we're going to be analyzing each of these assets one after the other and see what we should go in for. Okay, and of course, guys, if you are having this trading tool, I know you should be in profit right now because some of the trades are really doing very well right now. Okay, and before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some good cash for yourself while trading. Okay, and of course, if you have any question, feel free to drop your question for me in the comment section, or probably you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into one after the other, and we'll be picking the asset one after the other. Okay, so the first asset which you will be looking at is going to be GainX 1200. This was on uptrend before, right from this support zone. You can see when it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and it kept on buying till it got to this resistance zone. When it got to this resistance zone yesterday night, I told you that if it breaks out above this particular resistance zone, it's going to buy more. But if it does not, then it's going to switch from an uptrend into a downtrend. Okay, and you can see that's what happened. It has been selling since then, and it has just broken out from here, from this particular region. So this is still going to sell more, so we expect it to get to this spot first. Okay, if it should get here and it breaks out from there, then definitely it should be targeting this region. Okay, so we should take note of that, and if it should break out from here, then this place should be the next target. Okay, so we should take note of that and take advantage of the opportunity right from there. So this is going to be giving us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out. I love this because this didn't waste time at all. And of course, right from the resistance zone, just like I have explained earlier on, it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend. And of course, it has been selling since then. Just a single order, and this has really given us a lot of profit right from here. As you can see, it has actually gotten to this particular spot. Okay, and that's so amazing. That's so amazing. You can see it got there successfully. If it should break out from here, we expect it to get to this region. So this is so huge, and of course this has actually given us 47,907 points already. So that is the beauty of trend trading strategy. Placing your order immediately, you see the trend trading, and of course you get the right signal to jump into the trade. You jump into the trade right from there, and of course you milk the money right from there. Okay, now let's check out PayNext 1200 and let's see what is happening with it. PayNext 1200 has been on uptrend for some days right now. However, it has got into this resistance, so it has not been able to break out from there. So right here, it gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal, and it has been selling even though it didn't go too far, or it is yet to go too far. But this is it, guys. Once it breaks out from this particular support region, then you should expect more selling opportunity right from there. And first, we expect it to get to this particular spot, and if it should break out from there, we also expect it to get to this region. Okay, and of course if it should break out from there, then it should get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is going to be a long selling opportunity, that is if it breaks out from here. However, if it does not, and of course it now breaks out above the resistance zone, then it's going to buy more, but we expect more selling opportunity because this is due for it already. Okay, now let's check out PayNext 999. I love this particular one because it has really been turning out well. Just the way I described yesterday, This had been on downtrend for a while, and it got to all the TPs I highlighted yesterday. And of course, I said in my last video yesterday that if it does not break, I mean, if it's unable to break out from this support region, then we are most likely to experience an uptrend right from there. But we should wait for the necessary signals. And as you can see, the signals have popped out already. That is why I said those that are having this trading tool should be in huge profit already. If you should notice, each of the assets have been giving us profit already. This had even gone far. Okay, just the way we are seeing it, has really gone far. So that is it. And of course, check out Paynex 1200 is already going towards the direction already and giving us profit already. Those that are having the trading tool should have come in somewhere here, okay. So they should be in profit right now, and of course they shouldn't be scared of it breaking out from here or not, okay. But those that are not having are those that will have to follow the instruction for Paynex 1200. And for Paynex 999, you can see this is where we are right now. This actually started from this support region. It was unable to break out below it. It switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, gave us a buy signal, and it has been buying since then. So that is the beautiful part of it. And of course, it's still going to buy more. So you can see it is going up gradually. We expect it to get to this region. It has gotten to this already. It has also achieved this. You can see lots of profits have been achieved. So we expect it to get to the next destination, which is this. And if it should break out from there, we expect it to actually get to this particular spot, and thereafter it should get to this, and of course this, okay. So that is the beautiful part of it, okay. So you can see this is really doing very well at the moment, already in huge profits right now, and it is still going to buy more. There might be pullbacks in between because you don't expect it to be going in one direction for a very long time without having pullback, okay. So this is very, very important. However, it will take its time to get to the destination, okay. Then let's check out FX volume 80 for this weekend. This is FX volume 80, and of course, guys, just the way we are seeing this, we will notice that this actually started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and it sold till it got to this support zone. We all make this together when it happened. It has not been able to break out from here. Try to go back on uptrend, but turn back again. And of course, as you can see, still unable to break out from that support region. And right now, it has given us the uptrend signal again, and of course, the buy signal. You can always set up your signal, I mean, your order, and put your stop loss somewhere here. However, you should also notice that this is having an issue at this spot, okay. So if it should break out from here, that is when we will experience the real movement towards the uptrend, and we are most likely to see it get into this region, okay. And of course, if it should break out from there, then definitely it should get to this particular spot. And if it should break out from there, then we should expect it around here, okay. So once it gets to this region, then you can either close your trades, or probably you lock up 80% of your profit at that particular point to see if it can still get more profit for you, okay. So that is it, guys, and that is how it works generally. In case you guys are wondering how I'm able to give detailed explanation on this analysis, it's all based on the strategy I am using. I am only focusing on the trend trading strategy, and there are just a few things which I need to look out for in order for me to place my trades. And these are the resistance zone, the support zone, and the trend, okay. And of course, most especially when the trend is switching, that is when I love jumping into the trade, because it allows me to get into it at the beginning of the trend, which will give me opportunity to make more profits right from there. And it is very easy for me to be able to fish out all these things because I am using a custom trading tool that is helping me to achieve all these easily, okay. So you too can also, if you are having, you can also apply the same strategy and see how beautiful it is. Okay, but if you are not having the trading tool and you wish to get it, you can always reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, this is very, very important, and you're going to enjoy every bit of it. Okay, so, and of course guys, I will be stopping right here. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Thank you.